Hi guys! Hi Shy! Thank you guys sa mga greetings nyo. Thank you. Today guys, I'll be unboxing. Your gifts. Mga gifts ng Ethan Vengers. Yes. Alam, Lobat. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you guys for your greetings. Hello, Lobat yung cellphone ko. Ano ba yan? Mag-unbox ako ng mga gifts niyo sa akin. Ayan. Yung mga andito mga album. Mga ganon. Iba-iba. Happy birthday. Hindi ko pa birthday, mamaya pa. Mamayang 12 pa. Wait lang, papamusic nga ako. Wala akong music eh. Hello, batch yung phone. Wait natin mag-12. Wag naman. May pasok ba kayo bukas? Advance happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Ilang taon na nga ako kung talaga. Kung alam niyo talaga. Kung alam niyo yung birthday ko. Oy, OA ng 23, hindi pa ako 23. OA. Hi from Ireland. Hello. Guys, thank you guys for your if you have questions, just comment down. Try kong answerin lahat kasi ang bilis ng mga. Thank you, Ashton. Thank you, Jelly. Dahil sobrang idol ko yung Rise, may nagbigay sa akin ng mga Rise albums. So, unahin natin si Justin. Ang username niya is Serenitin. Buksan natin yung gift niya. Thank you guys for your greetings. I appreciate it, I swear. Sobrang thank you. Sumayo ka na, wag ka na humirit. Grabe guys. So meron tayong marshmallow. I also have from Maria Justin. Buksan natin. Thank you guys, thank you. From Maria, oh no. Ang cute! As in, personalized cup. Thank you, Maria Justin. Hello, Cherlyn Lynn. Shout out to you. Hello, Blue. Kuya. Shout out po. Daphne, hello. Hi, Paula. Okay, next. Shout out to Zane. Saan po si Kuya Charles? Wala siya eh. Baka bukas mag-live kami. Sa birthday ko. I think we'll meet. We'll have dinner tomorrow, I think. And then she gave me anxiety cards. Bible verses for anxiety. This is so useful, guys. Pag kailangan nyo ng Word of God, kuha lang kayong papel dito. So, thank you, Justin. Yes, I'm a K-pop fan. Oh! Who's your bias? Wunbin. Okay, next. May letter dito. Hindi ko nababasahin. Ang haba ng letter, guys. Thank you. Okay, let's read that later. Guys, Ray's album. Thank you, Maria Justin. Thank you so much. Thank you sa gift mo. Ano po fave K-pop band mo? Rise. Di ba halata yung binigay sa akin? Wow. This is my first album. These are my first album na Rise. Ngayon pa lang binigyan gift pa. Open ko ba? Open or just keep it there? Open. Okay. Guys. Ito na. Album. It's so heat. Ain't no doubt, no worry. Gagi, ang cute. Guys, stand Rise. No more hair. Thank you, Justin. May photocard pa. Photocard. Shotaro. Fave K-pop girl group. Blackpink, but now it's aespa. Okay, next. Thank you. EXO. Kiss me. Don't say no. EXO. Hindi ko alam kung... Okay, from Ethan Vengers and Tel. This is from Tel, no? So Tel gave me a plushie. Yeah. And then binigyan ako ng cup. Thank you, Tel. Ethan Vengers, thank you so much. From Ethan Vengers. Let's read the message. Ethan, thank you for being the sun. Ay, iba to. Oh no. And then she also gave me this. Thank you guys sa mga gifts nyo. I love you. Thank you guys. Tingnan nyo yung cute. Okay, nasa na yung hat? Bias and Hypen, Jungwon guys, Jungwon. Pag nag 3M likes ako, I'll give an ayuda. What kind of ayuda you guys like? And I have this plushie too. Thank you. Ethan Vengers, thank you so much. Ashton kind of ayuda. Why not? Anything else? Okay, Kuya Ethan from Nat P-Muts 1E. Guess nyo kung ano to ulit. It's another... Buksan ko na to eh. It's another Rise album. So, meron na akong... I have this one from Justin. Now I have another one. Okay. So, I'll unbox this one. Thank you for this Rise album. Nats. Tama ba? Nat. Oh my God, drive me crazy. I know you saved me. Sinong bias mo sa Enhypen? Jungwon guys, Jungwon. Okay, open natin, open. Thank you guys. Bukas pa yung birthday ko, hindi pa today. Tomorrow pa yung birthday ko. Nag-unbox lang ako kasi hindi ko na ito magagawa. Tomorrow. Gonna make it right. Tonight. Oh no. Wait lang, nag-live ako. Oh! Is it Shotaro? Sino to? Shotaro ba to? Or is this Wonbin? No, Shotaro. Thank you, Shai. Guys. Ay, nandito pa si ano. Sunghan. Bring me back to Sunghan. This is the first album. Oh, see? He's still here. Rise is 7, you guys. Rise is 7. I'm planning to, my bias is Wonbin eh. So, syempre gusto ko makuha si Wonbin, diba? But, take it harder tonight. Okay, next. Thank you, Nat. Shotaro Magnet. Totoo, Shotaro to. Tas Shotaro din to. So it's okay. I like Shotaro. He's a great dancer. Guys, should I sleep? Huwag kang matulog. Huwag kang matutulog. From Julia. Grabe, sobrang favorite. Bawal yan sa TikTok pakita, guys. Ang daming gummy bears. Sobrang favorite ko yung gummy bears. Gummy bears for life. Thank you, Julia. Sakit na ng... But the hit, I take it harder tonight. Make me stronger. Paano magpadala ng gift sa'yo? Through my admin, Ethan Vengers. Thank you. Favorite worship song mo? Goodness of God. SB19, Ken Tell is my bias. Thank you, Unknown Secret. Thank you, Pem. Sorry. Di ko to binili. This is from Ethan Vengers. Thank you, Ethan Vengers, for this. Pinaka-bias ko dati si V, actually. Kuya, nag-dinner ka na po ba? Actually, hindi pa. Hi, Luna! Guys, alam nyo ba? Okay. Hold on. Touch your nose if you love us. Yes. Okay, Espa naman. Espa. Guys, so this is from... Guys, wala nakalagay. So, paano ko malalaman? Wala. Kanino to? Ay, grabe. Ang bilis mag 3M. 5 million na lang. 5 million may ayuda from Ang bilis nyo gawin yung 3M. Kala ko challenge yun. Hindi pala siya challenge, guys. It's not a challenge pala. Ang bilis masyado eh. Ilang minutes pa lang ako nagla-live. Ang cute naman ito. This is from Lash and Shan. ano ko to? What do you call that? I'll put it on display. Whip, whip, flash. What is that? Oh, thank you for the heart. Espa bias Karina. Karina. Sorry. Thank you. Guess what, guys? Guess what? So, meron na akong first album. Meron ako ng Rising. May binagbigay na naman. I'm super happy, guys. As in, sobrang fan ako ng Rise. So, this is like a dream come true. Hindi ako nagbebenta. This is a gift. Baka block ko ng TikTok. Okay, let's open the third album. What's your favorite Espa song? Whiplash. Album. What's your favorite Espa song? Whiplash. Album. What's your favorite Espa song? Whiplash. Hindi ba halata? One look at a whiplash. Good luck on your exam tomorrow. Bias it twice. Chewy. Wait lang, di ko mabuksan. Guys, nag-wish ako Wonbin, guys. Wonbin to nasa loob. Hello, Wonbin. Hello. Wonbin is inside. Hello. Okay, Wonbin to, guys. Di ko mabuksan, sandali. Guys, walang name to. Kanino to galing? If you guys wanna send gifts, you can message my admin. I appreciate it though, but you don't need to buy a gift. Okay lang. Okay lang kay di Wonbin. Hindi siya Wonbin, guys. It's Songhan. It's okay. I like them all. Okay lang. Oh, Wonbin Guys, it's Wonbin and blonde hair. Look at this poster. Baya Sabini. Secret. Siyempre, bias ko Sabini, si Billie Joanna. It's Rise, you guys. You need to listen to Rise. Thank you. Okay, mamaya ko ito titignan bago matulog. Thank you guys. Tatlo na. Bias sa BB Monster. Chiquita. I like Chiquita. Actually, I don't like Chiquita. I love Chiquita. Kakalito ito. Ito, this from Pauline. Actually, guys, na-mix na siya. Ang cute nito, though. Guys, tutuloy ko na ba yung Eat Less to Be Depressed story? Na-busy lang ako kaya hindi ko nagagawa eh. Cute na nito, ang dami ko nito. Eat Less to Be Depressed. Ito yung story ang madedepress ka. Ang cute. Oh my God. And then after, I put it here now. Happy birthday. Ano kaya makukuha ko dito? Okay. Oh, cute! Ano to? It's black. I like this. Thank you po sa nagbigay. Ay, hindi na aalis yung ulo nito? Ayaw maalis? Pwede bang alisan? Tapos ito yung bag niya, di ba? Lalagay mo siya dito. Tama ba? Bag niya to. Ganyan. Thank you. God. Oh my God. Thank you guys sa mga birthday greetings nyo. Nagkalat-kalat na lang sila dito. Hindi ko na alam kung kanino to. I also like this. Guys, you wanna see my biscuit? Let's eat some biscuit. Jum mum mum mum. Jum mum mum mum. And the girls in the back. Girls in the back. Jumma. Unboxing ng gift ng cookies. Jum mum mum mum. And the girls in the back. Kain tayo, kain. Ano kayong lasa nito? Seaweed. It's not cookies pala, it's Bangkok cookies, pero seaweed. Try natin. Anong gusto mong song ng Billie? Cherry on Top. Ang sarap, gagi. Sarap. Are you excited for episode 6? Yes. Nagustuhan nyo ba yung episode 5? Okay ba yung acting ko dun? Or OA? Maganda or OA? Umiyak ba kayo? Imayak kayo? Thank you. Nagsiselos na. Bakit ka naman nagsiselos? Advance happy birthday po. Thank you. Okay. Gagawa tayo ng story ng Eat Less to be Depressed. I can't wait for episode 6. I can't do. May iiyak na isa doon. May iiyak sa episode 6. Plans for tomorrow, wala pa. Shoutout, may quiz kami tomorrow. Shoutout to you. Happy birthday, Paula. Thank you, Maricar. Hi, Alethea. Guys, pag nagka-fan meet ba ako, pupunta kayo. if Ethan Vengers will organize a fan meet or a cup sleeve event. Tama ba yun? Cup sleeve event. Pupunta ba kayo? Thank you sa mga birthday greetings niyo guys. Love you. Good luck, Raph. It's my exam tomorrow. Good luck. What you're gonna tomorrow? It's my birthday. Actually, hindi ko pa rin alam anong gagawin ko. Sana may motor yung GAT soon. I'm praying for that. Request natin sa Viva. I'll request. Good evening po. Good luck, Yang. Mariel, hello.
Tuesday, I was waiting at the phone. 2 days wasn't even from ya. Yeah, what can I say? Oh baby, I was getting bored. Thursday, I was losing interest. Friday, you were returning the call. Weekend, you already missing.
Can I say that?
얼음 같은 눈, 그 붉은 눈빛 breaking me in two. 나들은 들지 온가에 앉은 네 앞에 설 때 내 안에 타는 불길.
Good luck, Alexa. Meron po ba kayong event sa March 15? Yes. Guys, stream. Huwag ka nang humirit by Gat. Guys, stream nyo sa Spotify.
Maging aking sinisita Pasensya na Panaginip ko yung ipipinta Huwag ka mag-alala Di naman ako maloko Kasi ka lang yung masasolo kita Mamili ka lang sa dalawa Mahalin mo ako Mamahalin kita Hindi ka dapat nakakahasa Sa ating wala
Good luck, Levi. Good luck sa exam. Kabisado ko na sayo niyo. Thank you. Shout out. Pulang-pula na tenga ko sa kilig. Good luck, Tep. Leia Danielle. Hello, Sha. Thank you. Hello, Scarlett. Good luck, Aki. Thank you for the hand heart. Guys, na-miss nyo na ba si Tita Gemma? Na-miss ko na si Tita Gemma, guys. JJ? Yung filter. Dito si JJ, guys. Si Tita Gemma to. Yung tita ni JJ. Hi, Francine. Hello, Daishi. Where's Kurt? I actually don't know where Kurt is. Hi, Baby Lynn. Oh, what's that? Cake. Thank you. That's so cute. Thank you. Hi, Lyra. Hi, Angie. Hello, Sandra. Polaroid love. Hi, lovely. Thank you for another cake, Ethan. Jelly. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Wait lang. Guys, bukas pa yung birthday ko. Pero thank you. Lapit na din. Same lang yun. Hi, Jervelyn. Hi, Hael. Mika, hello. Hi, Hi, Kisa. Hi, happy birthday, Satin. Hi, Sheena. Another cake. Thank you, Ethan. Jelly. It's like a Polaroid love. Good luck, Ira. What's your favorite K-pop group, Rise? Hindi ba halata? Hindi ba halata? Mind block. Good luck, Sophia. Hi, Laylail. Good luck, Ayamer. Hi, Alexa. Hi, Jam. You don't know about me. You don't know about me. Shout out to Andrea. Hello, JM. Jamel, hello. Good luck, Gabriela. Baby got drip. Hello, Angelica. Hi, Shea. Mika, hello. Hello, Louise. Birthday na yan bukas. Yes. Mika? Wait lang. Magla-live ka din po ba bukas? Sige, try ko. Advance happy birthday. Thank you for the heart. Ay, bear pala yan. Happy birthday po. Thank you. Hi, Cristel. Hi, Erica Bermejo. Isang good luck naman po. Happy birthday, Kuya Tantan. Thank you. Mika, hello. Wait lang ah. Invite ko si Rafa. Hi, Frances. Hi naman dyan. Hello. Hi po. Hi, Pia. Okay, wait lang. Okay. Matulog na po kapag nag-hi ka. Ala, hindi ko nabasa yung name mo. Hi, Idol. Okay, I'll end na in 9:15, guys. Hi, Yesha. Guys, I love you all. Keep watching ang Mutianing Section E. Sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo. Stream sa Viva 1. Wag sa Viva 2. Wag din sa Viva Max. Wag doon. Viva 1 tayo. Okay? Para may season 2, guys. Viva 1 lang up. Thank you, Ethan. Happy birthday to me. And I'm Ethan. Thank you, Jolly. Yes, I won't forget the Ayuda, guys. I got you. I'll post my birthday pictures tomorrow. Hopefully you'll see them. Thank you guys. Happy birthday to me, and please always take care. Always pray to God. And huwag niyo siyang gawin genie. Always lean on Him. I love you all. Good night, Shane. Good night, everyone. Good night, Shane. Good night, everyone. Good night, Shane.